mounting up on there. Good Lord, at a camera.
What's up, man?
What's up?
What's going on?
Just showing off stuff that doesn't run.
Yeah. Over here to get the motor back. We're gonna put it together, make a little video about that, and then take it back home and quickly stab it back in the car as soon as we can.
Like tomorrow.
Yeah, like tomorrow, probably. Actually, probably. Yeah.
Yeah, probably. Hell, when we delivered it last time, it was in the next day.
Yeah. I mean, we started putting it in
That
immediately.
night. We almost killed Andy.
Yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. I'm gonna talk about. If you guys haven't checked them out already, please do so. Instagram, YouTube, I'll put their handle up here. They got not only some badass engine builds going on, but also big fan of TA's. Look at it, just look at it. And then of course the white one. The white one could possibly be my favorite over the Joker.
Well, it's definitely my favorite.
Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, it's hard to pass this monster up, but yeah, I think I'd take the white one over the Joker.
6-speed car too.
So, what change? You made some changes to it, right?
Well, not really. No, not really. Everything's pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Well, we did do a Holly. I'm sorry, we did do a Holly Terminator X.
Okay, so you Holly swapped it.
Yeah.
Holly EF5.
We haven't got it tuned just yet. We're having some issues with some sensors and stuff like that. But as soon as we get that,
I brought my Holly EF5 guru.
I know. I bought a brand new laptop.
So
I just bought a brand new laptop just to tune.
maybe I can put him to work while he's here.
I'm sure we can find something. Man. Well, that's why you slept the whole way. So you were
yeah. Exactly.
a pipe.
Yeah.
Just kind of wanted to simplify everything, make everything easier to get to and work on.
Yeah.
If we did ever have an issue, it wasn't a whole lot to fix and figure out. Like I said, we mounted the front end, we did the turbo kit. We're in the process of cutting some of the cage out and redoing it to give John a little bit more room in there.
Obviously, everyone on my channel is a huge Trans Am fan, so you're gonna love this car. You're gonna love that car. Make sure you go over to American Speed Shops, hit the subscribe button, follow them on Instagram. They are posting tons of content, not only, like I said, engine building, but they've got tons of Trans Am content going on. So go give them a follow. Nice. Brand freaking new. It wasn't too bad, huh?
No, this cleaned up pretty good. Actually, we did a little reshaping there, but you can't really tell.
Oh, on the hole?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But you can't tell. A little discoloration, but it's perfectly flat.
I noticed on the Frankenstein heads that they don't have as many coolant passages as some of the other heads.
You start running big boosts, you want as much material there as possible.
Which I was okay with.
Yeah.
Did you see the surprise I brought for you?
No, I didn't.
The little ode to American Speed Shop?
That looks good.
I haven't showed anyone yet other than close people, but yep, this is the reveal.
As I just fingered it.
I couldn't just have Frankenstein engine dynamics on my car. I had to have you guys as well.
That looks good. I like it.
So you like it?
Yep.
And that's gonna be like super visible, even with the hood on.
I was fixing to say, because you're just gonna.
Yeah, you always see the vibrant clamp, which is like right here. And now you'll see that.
That looks good, man.
I'm glad you like it. All right, so the plan is Hunter and I are gonna kind of assemble this together, put it all together. We got to put the heads on it. Well, first we got to put the crank, the pistons, basically everything. Assemble the whole motor. I'm gonna hand my boy Solomon the camera. He's gonna do some B-rolling for us.
Okay.
Can you handle the B-roll?
Yeah.
All right. Good to hear. If people say it sucks, it's your fault. That's what I'm gonna
I'm gonna say it's the camera.
That's true. It's probably the camera. That's what I said.
So that's the plan. We get rolling on this and go from there. You want to do a podcast later or what?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Sweet.
Andy got a podcast. I think I deserve a podcast.
Yeah, I think so too.
Countryman. Okay.
Man, that was easy.
Yeah, it only took 10 minutes.
It only. It only took, hey man, you can put it
like this.
You can put
And done.
We should have done where you like drop the
I
pistons
know.
in.
You put that motor quick together.
We've done that 5 minutes.
I know.
It went together easy though. Turns
Yeah.
over smooth. I just put that up.
Yeah, not bad. I'll edit that out. Don't worry about it.
I like stuff like that in it. It took the shit out of me.
All right, I'll leave it in there.
Might be a good shot.
That'll be smooth.
Yeah,
It was almost there.
it's almost there.
What's
Now
left?
comes the easy part.
Which is
That's the hardest part. Throwing the lifters in, throw the gaskets on, throw the heads on, put the cam in, roll.
The fun part.
The fun
Yeah.
part. Yeah, that's all. That's tedious. But when heads start going on, cams start going in, timing set, goes together quick.
yeah,
Get to see it transform.
yeah.
Only problem is you cover up all the nice machine work.
I know. That's why we take pictures though.
That's right. Take pictures and video.
Take pictures.
Yep.
Move on. I can't wait to see it with the heads and the intake on. We're gonna
That's-
shoot.
That,
We're gonna
that
shoot some
intake with
pictures.
That logo.
Yeah,
Maybe.
maybe.
If it'll come out. There we go.
Not even a drop.
Purple stuff.
You doing it? You even got your tuner over here working on the
Yeah,
on the
man.
block.
He always has me working on his.
That's a hell of a team when you got your tuner and your engine builder putting your
That's how
motor
you get good at
together
tuning.
at the
That's how you
same
get good at
time.
tuning, though, once you
That's a
start.
great team right there.
Right.
I might have to get my hand back there, but hang on. Let's see what kind of finger strength.
I'm gonna try to get it.
There you
There
go.
it goes.
You got it.
Slam.
Don't need no screwdriver, nothing.
Nothing.
No tool.
Yeah, so this is the chain that comes with the Comp Hex Adjust kit. And the reason we don't use these, and we use a K-Tech C5R chain from Cloyce, is obviously you can tell how tight it fits.
Yeah, it's super tight compared to the old chain, the double roller.
All that stretch in it. These stretch really easy. So do the double rollers, so do the stock ones. But the K-Tech C5R chains, they really do hold up well.
And whatnot.
Right, yeah, it keeps your, I mean,
More true.
Right, we take a lot of time to degree the cam and everything like that. And when you start having a loose chain, you start, getting a, even if it's half a degree or
Yeah.
even more, changing as you're going down the track. I mean, that's obviously you're losing power. So.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, that's exciting to see. I'm glad you talked me into that.
Yeah, it's a little expensive.
We
but
should have done it the
definitely worth
first time.
Yeah, I know, but
But
we were a little bit more pressed for time. The first
yeah. Okay, man, you don't gotta shine it up that much, man. It's a motor. It's a motor. It's not a flash. Oh wait, it is kind of flashy to be honest with you. Got our American Speed Shops logo on the intake. Frankenstein Engine Dynamics paired cylinder heads.
It's a good combo.
It's a good combo. You're right.
Bad combo. How about that?
It's done, huh?
It's done. It's ready to
done.
rock.
It is ready
Prime
to
it and
rock.
fire it up.
Right? Man, it looks great.
Yeah. Those
What do y'all
heads
think?
are sick.
What does everyone think?
Hey! Hey!
Solomon over there working on the Hunter's car. Can't take him nowhere without and wanting to tune somebody's car.
That's right. Hey, I'm not complaining. I'll take it.
Right? Yeah, man.
Good.
Yeah, it does, dude. Good job. You know, I was gonna paint the bolts black, but
No, I like them like that.
yeah, I know they're kind of sticking out a little bit. They kind of look
If
good.
I was gonna paint them, I'd paint them green.
Green.
Oh, yeah. Green. Green. Yep.
How about some green fuel rails on it?
Yeah.
How Frankenstein seen you said.
Yeah.
In their green.
Yeah.
Frankenstein.
Yeah. Jr.
Hurry up.
JR.
I know he's watching
Come on,
this.
JR.
Yeah, come on.
Get those fuel roads coming.
Look at all the Frankenstein boxes and
Frankenstein,
heads sitting around.
Frankenstein.
Those
Yeah.
heads are sick.
I know.
I really dig the O-ring for the exhaust.
I
though.
know. That's the
That's
only.
gonna
That's
make-
really the thing I gush over the most.
Mhm.
The
That
O-ring
and the
design.
coolant crossovers.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. So that's it. We're gonna wrap it up, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. We took
That is a badass.
You like that?
I like it. Did good.
I had to give you props. Had to give you guys props. Y'all
We
did.
appreciate it.
Y'all always help me out on everything engine related. Everybody watching, please make sure you go subscribe over to Hunter's channel. We're gonna do the giveaway here, by the way, in a minute.
Yep.
And also follow them on Instagram, follow them on Facebook. They're great guys, do quality work, and I've been super happy, and it shows in the ETs.
Yeah, that's
You know.
true. Yeah. Glad
So-
you're happy.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get back to driving. Hunter's gonna get back to work.
That's right. We got a whole nother one put together.
It never ends.